Yeah, so how much experience you are having in total?
4 years experience I have.
Okay, 4 years. Okay, so can you tell me what is the need of Spring Boot dev tools?
Yeah, actually Spring Boot is a framework actually.
No,
There we can develop.
yeah, yeah. So I am asking about dev tools. So there is a feature of Spring Boot which is dev
Uh,
tools. You can use dev tools,
yeah, Spring Boot
enable them in your project.
Maven, like Maven actually, like a property default, automatic restart, live reload, global setting, remote application.
Okay,
Dev tools like nothing but there we can add all the differentiation. Like for example, our org Spring Framework dot boot actually like a Spring Boot dot dev tools. We have to add artifact actually and group ID we need to add in Maven actually,
okay,
and property default also will be there. Automatic restart is there.
okay, okay, okay. Fine. So like I think we should start with Core Java first. Then we will go ahead
Oh,
with frameworks. So can you tell me, like, if a method throws null pointer exception? Okay,
yeah.
if a superclass method is throwing null pointer exception, so can we override it with a method that throws runtime exception?
Runtime exception.
Yeah, if no, then why? Or if yes, then why?
Yes, control in superclass we can override with method because null contract is a subclass of runtime exception actually. Like yeah, overloaded runtime there is no policy of runtime like it's unchecked exception that method will be overloading actually.
Okay, so that means you can override it.
Or yeah, we can override it.
Okay. Okay, so do you know what is like functional interface?
Yes, I know.
Okay, so can you give me some example of functional interface in Java?
Yeah, sure. The function interface nothing but is only one abstract method is called function interface. Okay. So for example like interface. See, I'm creating one interface like test, and I'm creating one method void test some string message I'm passing, and that interface should be annotated by the right functional interface actually. That is a mean by that is a functional interface actually.
Okay. Okay,
And
so
that will be
uh, what do you think? Is comparable or comparator is a functional interface or not?
yeah, actually a runnable action listener and comparable of some of yeah comparable is a functional interface actually. Runnable also a functional interface, and action listener
And
also functional interface
what
actually.
about clonable?
Clonable, I don't think so. It's not a comparable. It's not a functional interface.
Okay, so what type of interface it is? Clonable.
Clonable interface, nothing but like it's like interface actually. It's like interest like there is one clone method will be there actually. That
Okay,
will
so
be introduced in JDK 1.2. Yeah,
okay, so have you heard about
like it's a marker.
marker interface?
Yeah, yes, it's also an interface, a marker interface actually. Clonable.
So clonable is a marker interface. So
Yes.
what is marker interface actually?
Marker interface, nothing but uh, there is no method or constraint inside it. That is called marker interface, and it will provide the runtime information about the object actually.
Okay, so where exactly this clone method belongs to? So you use clone method while using clonable marker interface.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So
Like in serializable, like if I'm creating a serializable interface, for example, I'm creating a serializable, like
no, no.
global, like
Serializable is different thing.
yeah,
Clonable interface. I'm talking about clonable interface and clone method. So
like clone,
does
yeah,
this clone methods belongs to clonable interface?
yes, it belongs to clonable interface. Clone method is a present in clonable interface actually.
Oh, so if it
It's
belongs
also
to,
object class.
sorry, if it belongs to clonable interface, that means
Okay.
clonable can't be a marker interface.
Like clone method, like clone method is a like instance of class that does not implement clonable interface actually. Like result clone not found support exception, it will come being actually through.
So from which class we are using this clone method? Which class it belongs?
I think the clone method object class, I think the object class the clone method will present actually.
Okay, so do you know
Object
some,
class has a clone method.
yeah, so do you know some other methods of object class?
Yes, I know actually.
Have you heard about like equals and hash code?
Yes, I know it was.
Okay, so what is the contact between equals and hash code? Why we override them and why we override them together? If we are overriding equals, then it is said that you should always override them both. So why it is said?
Actually, the hash uh, uh, like we have hash code and every class that override equals method because of its failure, some result violation which will come actually like contact between object and hash code, which prevent your class functionality properly is conjunction or not hash based on this hash code actually. For example, uh, like hash map is there, right? So in a hash map, hash code value object that find how object would be stored in the collection actually. And same like yes, the first we need to find out what is the bucket of using based on the finding the bucket using hash code actually.
Okay,
And second things like a bucket for the right element for using equals method actually we are using. So this is for use for this method actually. And it is not required to if the two objects are unequal actually the if equals method will be there. We're calling hash code method on each of the two objects.
okay. So have you used Java 8?
Yes, I will cover it.
Okay, so we'll do some coding practice as well. So can you please share your screen and open Notepad? And meanwhile, you can answer what is Stream API.
Stream management API, we can retrieve our data actually. Like we have some method, predefined method will be there. And like filter method will be there, map method will be there, short method will be there. So based on this filter, we can retrieve
Okay.
our data.
So have you heard about map method and flat map method?
Yes,
So what is the difference?
map method will be for storing the key value in bucket actually for map method.
Key value bucket?
Map method you're asking, right?
Yeah, map method in Stream API.
Then they use some for transform of one object into another object, I think, for a line function actually, deriving map function.
Okay. No, map method is something else. But anyways, so have you shared your screen?
Sharing
I am not
actually.
able to
Is
see.
it visible now?
No. Yeah, it is visible. Can you please
Now
open
it's visible?
Notepad? Okay, so are you comfortable with writing Stream API coding?
I will try.
Okay. Okay, so you need to write, I mean, you have a list of integers. Okay,
Yeah.
you have a list of integers from 1 to 10. You need
Yeah.
to store it in another list, and each integer from list first list, we will calculate cube of the each integer and store it in another list. So can you do that?
Yeah, I will try it.
Have you understood the problem? So
Like we need to
suppose,
retain one
yeah,
one
so I'm also pinging you, like I have a list something like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 9 element, not 10, 9 element. So I want to like I want to have like a list of integers which has 1 8 27 64 and so on, cube of each integer. Have
Yeah.
you understood?
So,
So
yeah, I
just
will try
try,
first.
yeah, just try and also tell me the logic, whatever you
Okay,
are
sure.
doing.
Actually, first of all, we need to do like
Okay, so first we have a list, so you can start with list dot stream, because first you will create a stream out of list.
yes.
List dot stream.
So, can I write whole class or what? I need to write only.
Sorry, no, I mean, it is assumable that you have a list, so you can directly start with list dot. No need to create a list, because we are assuming that it is there is already a list.
Yeah.
Yeah, so no need to create a list and put elements in it. You can just start list dot with list dot stream, or parallel stream, whatever you want to use.
Yeah, like
If you are not
just
comfortable with it, we can like move ahead. Don't, not an issue. Okay.
like where we can write.
Okay, so filter, you want to use filter method,
Like we will use this.
but we are not filtering anything. If we have elements in first list, that we are also having 9 element in second list. Just for each element we are having cube, so we are not filtering anything. We don't want to use like we can't use filter method.
Um,
We can use map method.
Math method we can. Yes, math method we can use it actually.
Okay, okay, that's fine. uh, okay, that's fine. I think we should not like waste time on this. I think you are not comfortable, but that is fine. You should practice more on these codings of lambdas and stream API. It will like help you a lot. uh, what type of databases you have used till now?
Oracle we used it.
Okay, so can you write down a query?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you write down a query to fetch unique values, unique values from the table? So we have a employee table.
Yeah.
Okay, and we have lots of employees, like even some of the names are uh, repeating, like
Yeah.
there are 10 Ashish, 5 Varuns, multiple employees with the same name. So we want to like have a list with all unique names.
Okay. Hello?
Yeah. So I'm
Uh,
watching and listening.
Yes, sir, can I write this query?
Yeah, so you need to write down a query. So sorry, what was your question?
Like we have a duplicate name in the column actually, so we need to remove the duplicate, right?
No, we don't need to remove the duplicate. We want
Okay.
to like fetch the distinct values of names.
Okay.
What do we use to get the
We,
distinct values?
uh, this thing we can use for we can write the column actually.
Okay. Okay, leave
I
it.
mean,
Yeah, leave it. We can use distinct keyword, select distinct.
yes. Select this thing, we can pass the column name,
Yeah,
and from Google where condition we need to pass unique ID actually.
select distinct
And then
name from employee. That's it.
for employee, yes.
Okay. So, ha- what is the reason of using Spring Boot where we already have Spring Framework?
Yeah, Spring framework is nothing but it's like it's a combination of XML approach and annotation based approach. It's not fully annotation based actually, but Spring Boot is a fully annotation based approach actually. And the Spring Boot also framework actually there we can develop our standalone application actually,
Yeah, but
and easy to maintain. Yeah,
sorry to interrupt you, but annotation based approach is already there in Spring.
but it's not fully the annotation based approach. And Spring Boot is a REST application, REST web service project actually,
Yeah,
and Spring is
but
a
if
web
we
application. Yeah.
in the latest frameworks and in the latest version of Spring, if we want to use like fully annotation based approach, we can use have it with Spring only. We don't use have to use Spring Boot just to use the annotation based approach, because uh,
Yeah.
even we don't if you don't want to have XML file, even a single XML file, we can also do that by
Uh,
having runtime properties.
yes. Yeah, we have like they are having some
so
separate annotation
so
within that.
this is not the reason to use Spring Boot. There is another some other reasons actually. That's what I want to hear.
Like Spring Boot is like is a built on a Spring framework only, and there we can easily launch some of the build field feature. And here also like microservices deployment, which we can do it here. And Spring Boot is a at the rate REST controller they are using for controller actually. For a Spring they are using at the rate controller only. That means with REST controller will be Java based
No,
application. Then
REST controller annotation is not Spring Boot based. Another like it is also we can use in like simple Spring application. REST controller is not specific to Spring Boot.
and Spring Boot one is Spring Boot started web is it's embedded server is will be there, right?
Yeah. There is embedded
It's Spring
server
Boot
and
application.
there is starter
Yeah,
package.
yeah. There will be Spring Boot application. With, is a difference actually. One thing.
Okay, okay, okay. I'm fine with like we are running out of time. So, do you have any
Okay.
questions?
Actually, no,
Okay,
I don't have any questions actually.
okay.
How much
So,
time is working in?
okay. So, I will suggest you on work on coding part as well
Yeah,
as
sure.
like queries, and like if you are reading something about Spring Boot microservices, so understand it very well, because uh, I feel that you are not have understood the purpose of Spring Boot and all. So but I'm suggesting you to have that.
Okay,
Okay,
sure.
okay, yeah, thank you so much for your time.